You guys, I got a MacBook Pro. Hey, I'm Kira, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I got a MacBook Pro. I'm so excited. You want to unbox it with me? Here we go. Alright guys, sorry about this angle, but you'll just have to bear with me while we open this. Alright, look, it's the new MacBook Pro. I'm so excited. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. It has the new touch bar on it, and it is silver in 256 gigabytes. My husband was telling me he was going to get it for me, so I found a cheaper one on Amazon, and I had him price match it while he was there. So he got this one. I don't know the price. He didn't give me numbers, but he said this one priced to Amazon with Apple Care was the same price as this would be normally. So I don't have the prices, but let's go ahead and open her up. Make sure you guys can see this. I have a bobby pin here. Hopefully that'll just get me through the plastic. Oh yes. Alright, are you ready for it? Let's open it like this. Are you ready? Here we go, here we go. MacBook Pro in silver, because it's a silver version. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look how pretty she is. Pull up on this tab. Oh, yes. Alright, so I know you all know what's in here, but just so we can go through it, I've got the USB-C charging cable, and then of course the stickers, and I'm sure they're probably, I know the rose gold ones are, or the gold computer has gold stickers, so no, just white, but we'll take it. And then our lovely little charging brick. Awesome. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened. Oh, she's so pretty. So excited to be able to edit. I've been editing on my phone, which works. But I know that there are a lot of capabilities on the actual MacBook that don't work on my phone. So I'm excited. Ready? Take our tab. Enough focus? She doesn't want to focus on her. Yes. I'm ordering a case for her. Oh, she's so pretty. Ordering a case for her, and as well as a dock type thing, an adapter to put in the SD cards and USB, the regular one. So there's 4 ports on here and a headphone jack. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! This one. Look at how pretty she is. Oh, I'm so excited. It's very lightweight, very small. I love it. The trackpad is humongous. Like, that's huge. I mean, and it's the new key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
She's gonna talk to me. Oh, look, and the touch bar, it's moving. Can you see it? Look. That's so cool. I love that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the touch bar or not, but that is awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to set her up now.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the Command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, tap Escape at the left end of the touch bar.
She's going to keep talking to us. I'm going to go ahead and set her up, and I will be back as soon as I'm done. Guys, she's all set up. Look at how pretty she is. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. And look at how tiny. Like, this is just like tiny and perfect, but big and able to work well. I'm so excited. So if you guys want any updates or anything, or you want to see a video about what I have on my Mac after I get it set up, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you can see all my future uploads. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.